Remove the drum unit from the printer and place it on a flat, clean surface. First, you need to remove the lower housing, which acts as a base for the toner cartridge. Unscrew the securing screws on both sides of the unit. Start by removing the screw on the right side and pressing the latch to detach the lower cover. For easier handling, insert a small flat screwdriver into the gap between the plastic parts, then press the lock using pliers. This will make disassembly much easier. As you can see, one side of the cover is already loosened, so now repeat the same steps on the other side. Remove the screw and compress the lock. Once the screws have been removed, you can take out the lower cover. This step is necessary, as the developing unit cannot be removed with the cover in place. The covers are quite flexible, so gently tilt the right side of the casing and carefully remove the developing unit. Secure this component during the repair. Prepare the screwdriver shown in the video and unscrew the small securing screw. Using regular pliers, remove the drum bushing. Turn the drum unit upside down and this time move to the left side of the unit. At the end of the photosensitive drum, there is a distinctive latch that needs to be released. Turn it clockwise and gently push it outward. It is most convenient to use a small flathead screwdriver. Notice that you have removed the black latch and the small white drum drive gear, which was tightly fitted onto the drum shaft. Slide the photosensitive drum to the right and lift its left side. The charging roller has no safety features, so simply lift it up and remove it along with the bushings and springs. Remove the two screws on both sides of the drum cleaning blade. Gently remove the drum cleaning blade. Be careful because underneath is the waste toner container, which will likely be full. Then prepare an anti-static vacuum cleaner and remove the used toner. All used toner must be removed. Prepare powder for sprinkling on the photosensitive drums. Pour a small amount of powder and thoroughly lubricate the rubber part of the cleaning strip. The powder creates a thin protective layer between the surface of the photosensitive drum and the cleaning blade. This prevents the blade from sticking to the drum and curling up during the first rotations. Install the new cleaning strip and tighten the 2 securing screws. Prepare lint-free cloths and isopropanol cleaning solution. Before cleaning the charge roller, slide the bushings off its ends. Reinstall the bushings in their proper position and insert the charge roller back into the unit. Check that the bushing positioners are correctly aligned in their proper places. Transfer the spring from the old photoconductor drum to the new one. The removed white drum drive gear will no longer be needed. The new photosensitive drum has its own drive gear, mounted in a slightly different way. So insert the new drive gear into the black drum clip. The original photosensitive drum has a round shaft and a white gear with a round hole. The new drum has a slightly different shaft design and consequently a different gear. Place the protruding spring in the special hole on the side housing. Install the new drum, remembering the spring on the left side. Reinstall the round drum clip and push the drive gear onto the shaft. The drum's round clip must fit snugly against the housing on all sides, otherwise it won't turn. Only after firmly pressing the drum clip into place will you be able to close it by turning it clockwise. Finally, press the gear firmly onto the drum shaft. On the opposite side, reinstall the drum bushing and secure it with a small screw. The drum chip is located beneath the indicated cover. Unscrew the 2 securing screws and remove the plastic cover. Unscrew the small securing screw, replace the chip, and then reinsert the screw. Reinstall the plastic cover and tighten the 2 securing screws. Reinstall the developer unit starting from the left side. Reinstall the lower cover. Align and press the latch to properly attach the lower cover, then insert the securing screw. Perform the same steps on the other side. Reinstall the refurbished drum unit back into the printer.